Hard driver?
Hard driver, hard driver. There you go. Right there. Oh.
I'm going hard left, correct?
I need you to turn a little bit.
Oh, driver till I get up and then hard left at the post. That's right.
Nice and easy, you throw these rocks. We're gonna build up right here.
Okay. Hold. All right, load that hole right there. So.
It's so much easier when they're on the outside.
Right here, where you want that outside of that tire.
Just on the inside of that lip, but I can't see any of it.
It's got to be enough rocks where he lifts.
Hold what you got.
All right. Try to come forward a little bit.
Because you're hard on the control arm over here. So
Okay.
We got to pick it up.
Of course. Damn, where's it go by lift kit?
Yeah, but that doesn't raise the lifts.
No.
Right.
I'm good
So
on my
we have to
side.
do that.
Bigger tires, I can't get big tires. 37 is all I'm willing to put.
Want to become hard passenger as he's coming up?
Yes. Hard passenger is coming up. Driver got it up.
I got to get the rear up. I'm on rocks though.
Is he bottomed out?
Give me a look. It was a second ago.
He's bottomed out. Back him up.
As long as it's not on the drive shaft though, right? If it's just on the bottom of the Jeep, I'll bump it.
What I'm trying to do is, I don't want you on the back side of the fulcrum where you'll just fall off.
I got you. I also don't want to slam the back of that bed.
Or run over
That's going to be a problem right there. I'm worried about right here.
All right. I'm good on my side.
I'm good on my side. He's set up on the front here. Whenever you're ready.
Good. Good?
Yep. Trying to fit him. Start climbing over there. Turn back.
Once you hit the crest, turn back.
Oh, it's starting to go, whatever it hit.
No.
Turn passenger, back up.
Yep.
Hold on a second.
Hold. Hold.
Hold.
Okay.
You're gonna have a good excuse to get a new bumper if you come straight.
Okay.
Yeah, don't go straight.
You got a little bit on the front of the hill. Back up next to it. That was just straight. That could be all right.
Everybody's clear. Back up very slowly. Back. Hold.
Now you go driver's side, don't
Is
it?
he, is he too far that way?
Yeah.
How bad?
Yeah, foot.
Foot?
I know.
Can you go back anymore or you ought to rock?
I can take him back, but he's going to have to
I
recline.
just need to move. Let me see if that's loose. If I
Okay.
can move it and he can climb hard.
Okay, hang on. If this diff doesn't hit,
Can you inch forward and then inch back, and inch forward and inch back, and get that front end over?
Yeah,
Right there, hold up.
I think I can. How the hell did you get through the rest of this shit? How did you get through the rest of it?
water as you can.
Come back up. You got to inch your wheels, go forward.
I'm just trying to get. I don't have any steering.
Hold right there.
Yours back as far as you can go. You're getting ready to lose your rock.
Yeah,
Might lose them right. Hey,
Anybody get a
hold on.
picture of that?
Stop. Let me put a rock.
don't climb there, you're good.
Hold on. I've got you balanced on about a 6-inch rock.
Rock.
Okay.
Right where it's aimed, right? And then
So
what?
what you're gonna do
After your front wheels get up,
Turn back.
after you crest past, okay, carry your momentum. But remember, Garrett slammed into that one there. So when you get up there, long wheelbase, and see what happens. Go.
there you go.
Hold. Can you back up at all? Hold.
Right there. Hang on.
All
Let
right.
me get some rocks under you.
Yep, fill in the holes.
What's that?
I need more because I gotta lift this rock slider. Just need more of them. And the little ones. Fill in all the little air gaps. Tighten everything up.
This is insane.
Okay.
Hang on, I'm not clear.
Okay. Hold.
Hold. I copy. Hold.
All right. I'm clear.
Clear.
I'm good.
Baby, fine.
Up. Away. Okay.
Easy.
Come back.
Wait a second.
Okay. Hold.
I don't have anything to hold him because he's bounced this rock, this big ass rock turned it his long way.
Nice. See if I get a picture of that. Well, you gotta throw in the back hole.
I'm not above winching it.
You're nice. I can't see the other side, but you're so close.
Yeah, you're so close.
The problem is over here is just a giant freaking off-camber freaking.
I can't see that side, but if you get it to move forward,
It's got a rock like it's this angle and the tires underneath of it like this over here.
you got both your lockers locked in.
Yes.
Just put her down in first, and if you turn driver, you might be able to crawl it.
I'll do the hill start thing and let it crawl on its own maybe. Is that what you're saying?
You're gonna need a little bit more pedal than that.
All right.
But just crawl it, just because everything behind you is gonna get kicked out.
So I want to turn driver and go up the hill.
Yeah, turn driver.
No?
And just eat into that bank.
Yeah, well, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
Hold on, we good?
We good? They good back there?
Yeah.
Yep. He's putting pressure on you. Yeah, you're still on it.
He's on that control arm.
I thought you could drag over it, but you're so close. You got a lot of control arm to go over. Can we back up like 6 inches? You're starting to dry this rock out.
Back up like this.
So, you know.
You want me to back up or no?
Hold him there.
Hold on, hold.
Hold. Copy.
Oh, nice. Now I see what's going on the other side.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just need something to put on this side to get him.
It'll stay on now.
I don't know if it's the same on these, but on the JK, even when you're in 4 low, it won't go into first gear unless you manually put it in first gear.
Huh.
Because that is like super low crawl.
Well, he just what he told me to do. That's why I just did this
No,
last time.
I'm just saying, if you want it it won't do, like when you just leave it drive, it'll never go into first gear because it'll usually stay like second and third because 4 low is pretty low.
I think we might just pull cable if it's all right.
I'm totally fine with
You
that.
hung up. So, do you mind if we
I'm
pull
totally
cable?
cool. Yeah,
Let's
that's fine.
pull cable.
Here. Y'all know how to turn it on up here? Hold the button on the side of it till the orange light comes on.
You only need about 6 inches.
That's what she said.
I'll break it. Put it in your front pocket.
You've got really long control on it.
I know.
It's a long distance. Yeah.
We locked?
Okay. Very nice and easy. A little bit of throttle, a little bit of wind.
You're climbing. You're climbing.
Keep coming. Passenger. Hard passenger. All right, let's. Hey, hold right there. I'm pretty sure the rest of it's pie.
You can walk out.
Piece of cake.
Anything down there look like pie underneath?
It might look. It looks like mashed taters. Oh, the tailgate. Forgot about that.